Hi guys, a lot of you guys want to make a strong decoction and you don't have an infusion machine, but actually you do. You have an infusion machine. Here's a blender. Here's the canister for the blender. I just soaked this in hot boiling water so it's hot because I'm going to put hot water from the kettle in it. It's very important to make sure you soak it in hot water if it's glass. So now I'm putting the hot water in because I'm going to make a strong decoction just like I would if I had an infusion machine. So I don't want to make a big one. I'm making one just like that. I'm going to add some ginger roots. Cut them up. Don't even have to worry about the skin being on them. It's fine. So this is going to be strong because the water's hot, really hot, and this is going to blend it all up and bring out the medicinal value of everything that we're putting into it. And this is a great one, these ingredients, for upset tummy and bloatedness. So the ginger's going in. Ginger helps heat things up so things flow through the intestines better. We're going to put some plantain leaf. Break that up a little bit. Plantain leaf is another one that's really exceptional for the intestines and belly. Help with bloating and helps with digestion. And then I'm going to put some, here's some more of the plantain. I'm putting in chamomile flower. That's a lot actually. I'm just going to take half of that, like a big handful pinch. Put that in. And then I'm going to put some fennel in. This helps the belly and relaxes the intestines and the whole body. I love the smell of fennel. Fennel is great for digestion. Helps break down everything and gets rid of bloating and gas. So 2, maybe 3 good pinches of fennel seeds. So I'm going to get that cap on now while it's still hot. And this is now an infusion machine. There we go. I would let it go a lot longer, maybe until it actually cooled down. It's still really hot, but just for the video's sake, I'm going to turn it off now and strain it. So this is going to be a great belly tonic if you're all bloated and you don't want to go to bed like that. This will help you sleep too, because the ginger, the chamomile, all of these things will actually help enhance sleep. So what we're going to do is this. There. Did you see that? So that's just strained. Just a normal strainer that I'm using. I usually use 2, but the other one is in the dishwasher. I'll put one on top of each other, but where I'm just using one right now, I'll probably strain this one more time, just in this one, like this. I'll show you. That, another bowl there, strain it one more time. It did catch a few things, but not really. So now you have a beautiful belly tonic to sip on. Add some honey to it, because honey is really great for the intestines too, to settle things and soothe the intestines. So don't put the honey in here. It breaks it up too much. Honey's just so delicate. Just put it in after. So this is still nice and warm. I'm going to actually take a sip of it. Oh my goodness, it tastes so lovely. I can feel the burn of the ginger on the back of my throat right now. This would be a great one too if you're having some throat problems like itchy throat or a sore throat. This would be a great one. I can feel that ginger. I need another sip. Yeah, I can really taste the fennel too. The fennel has almost like a a hint of black licoricey, cinnamony fennels like that. It has its own, it's a beautiful taste. It has its own original taste. It's beautiful. So that's it. I'll drink this. I'll go to bed and sleep like a baby. My belly will feel great. It's a great one, like I say, for the bloating and all that, and even just to go to sleep at night. All these things are very relaxing, and when the stomach is all relaxed and feeling good, you sleep better. That's it, guys.